First to do, we start with breaking news right now. The trial between Michael Jordan's 23XI Racing and NASCAR is now over.
The attorney who represents 23XI Racing and Front Row Motorsports says the parties have reached a settlement.
WCNC's Miles Harris now live uptown with the latest. And Miles, we're hearing from MJ himself in the last hour or so.
That's absolutely right, Lisa and Ben. Now, we know that this issue really stemmed between financial and contract disagreements between Jordan's 23XI Racing team and NASCAR ownership. Now, today, both settled on what could have been a long and public legal battle. Now, this issue, it's centered around really the revenue and charter rights that were being shared with teams, a problem that team owners, including Jordan, said was unsustainable. 23XI Racing, co-owned by Jordan and driver Denny Hamlin, had been pushing for more financial transparency and a more equitable split of the money flowing into the sport. Now, the settlement finalized today and just moments ago spells out new agreements on team funding and a framework for long-term sustainability.
You have to think, not just for yourself, but you got to think about the sport as a whole. And I think both parties got to that point, and we realized that we could have an opportunity to settle this, and we dove in, and we actually did it. Unfortunately, it took us that long, but we got here. That's all that matters.
Now, Ben and Lisa, when it comes to the terms of that settlement, that has not been disclosed just yet, but both sides, they are calling it a step forward for the future of NASCAR ownership and really the sport as a whole. And Michael Jordan and his team, they say they look forward to the attention now being shifted back on the racetrack and winning on those race days as well. But for now, reporting live just outside of the federal courtroom here in Uptown, I'm Miles Harris, WCNC Charlotte.
Because MJ basically accused them of running sort of a monopoly.
Yes.
And so the fact that there's some sort of settlement is notable. All right, Miles, thank you for that.
Thanks, Miles.